Alright, we've got the ride along video on this 01 GMC C7500. Took it down the road for about 5 minutes. Truck shifts good, you know, plenty of power, building good boost. Doesn't shake at all going down the road. Pretty smooth for an all-spring suspension. I drive with one hand, 60, 65 miles an hour. Operating temperature's holding steady. Oil pressure's good, right at about 50. The only thing that I know about this truck right now is that the RPM gauge does not work, which will be fixed shortly. Blows cold AC. It's about 90 degrees this morning. Windows are all up. Very smooth riding truck. Going steady 65, no shaking. Take your hand off the wheel. Honestly, very impressed with this rig.